Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have question 12 divided by 2 multiplication parenthesis 3 plus 3. So if you have already solved this question, go in the comment section and answer the right answer. And I will give them heart. And in next step we will solve step by step. So according to PEMDAS, first we will do parenthesis part. So first step will be adding these three. So we can write 12 divided by 2, 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. And in the next step, as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority. So first we will do division part. So here 12 divided by 2, which equals to 6, and write 6, and 6 into 6, which will equal to 36. So our correct answer is 36. And go check out best words for seniors in the description. Thanks for watching.